Right, it is of course dark outside, so we're going to have to use my halogen light. Oh, that's a bit too bright, isn't it? Let's adjust the brightness a bit. All right. Right, what's supposed to happen is if it bumps into something, it pushes itself to one side or the other. Let's see if we can point it at that and see if it changes direction. Yep, it changed direction. So it works. Chances of us getting a nice bright sunny day to try it are pretty slim, so we'll just have to accept that it does work when we shine a bright light on it. That'll do. I'm pleased with that. Oh, just if you've watched the long version of the video, you'll see I got really confused right near the beginning because it was pointing or showing you a piece on the diagram but didn't have a number on it. But it was one of the pieces that was already in place on the gearbox. So while I was looking everywhere for it, it was already there and I didn't need to find it because it was on the gearbox. Other than that, everything went step by step, no problems.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.